Holy shit. Holy shit. Tornado sirens are going off tonight. Hey, what's up guys? It's East Central Minnesota EAS here. And today I have two weather radios that I'm going to be unboxing. So let's get started with it. So this one here is the first one, yeah, so this radio is, I believe, the 12250. Yes, the 12250. And this is a 1999 model, as you can see by the 99 right there. And so yeah, let's make sure there's no bad batteries in it. Oh, dang. Okay, so I took the old battery out, and luckily there was no corrosion or anything. So, right, so yeah, I got the cord undone, and I put a new battery in it, and it's now time to plug this in. Plug this in and see if it'll work. Okay, radio is plugged in, and here we go. Uh-oh. Speaker sounds kinda weird. Right, let's try and get this in test mode now. Here we go. Okay, let's check the LCD screen or whatever that is. Looks good. Let's check the siren. Sounds a little weird, but that's okay. Let's check the channels. Channel 1, channel 2 doesn't receive anything. Channel 3, channel 4, channel 5. Receives channel 5, no channel 6. And my main channel, KEC 65, it receives fine. Okay. Okay, now we are going to try and program this. So, let's see. It's in program mode. So, yes, channel 7, voice, yes, continuous backlight. No. Multiple counties, yes. This was programmed for counties in Illinois where I bought it from, but I already put in the codes for here. So I put for location 1, I put all county code 99, which is the FIPS code for all counties. Just a standard all county code, so yeah. Okay, now we're going through the alerts. Say yes to all those. Okay, there we go. Cool. Okay, now let's try this out. Alright, I think that is all set up. Now we will put this where it goes with the other radios where I'm gonna put it. So we'll do that and then I'll show you where it goes. Okay, so here is the new 250. It's by my other 250 that I got a while back. Really cool radios here. I really like them. And so yeah. Okay, so here is the second radio that I purchased, and it is, drumroll please, I know what this is. It's the 12251. Okay, so this is, yes, this is the 12251, and it is a 2000 model. So I plugged it in and it works. And first we will start off by putting it in test mode. So check the channels. Channel 5 and channel 7. Check the numbers, displays, that those all work. And that works good. So we got that. So then, okay. We can turn this on and program it now, but before we do that, I forgot to say that I bought this off of eBay for about 20 bucks. It was about $18.25 plus about $1.75 in taxes. So yeah. And I also forgot to say that this is a January of 2000 model. So yeah. So let's turn it on and program it. So put it in program mode. Okay, channel 7. Confirm. Location 1 should be, yes, it's 99, so all county codes. Confirm. Location 2. If it's all zeros, that's fine. Okay. Yep, that's good. Okay. Cool, that's all there is. Okay, now we have it set on voice. Okay. Now let's check it out, see if it works.
Reported 5. At Eau Claire, it was cloudy with a temperature of 71. Across.
Now that this is set up, I will show you where this one will be going as well. So let me get it there and then I'll show you where it is. Okay, and here is the 251. It's next to my other two 250s, the new one and the one I had for a while. And yeah, and these, I really like these two radios. They're really cool radios. I think they're great. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video, this unboxing.